Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Cynthia Garden. So we are in the kitchen again making pilau, and here we have rice. This is 1.5 cup. I'm just making pilau for 2 people. So we have pilau, rice. Make sure you get the long grains. They're the ones which come out very well. So my pilau, this is Kenyan pilau, guys. I don't know what you call this kind of food in your country. You can comment. We have some boiled meat, pre-boiled meat, just little. Then we have our onion ready. We have our crushed ginger, a spoonful, and then we have our crushed garlic. Then now the magic happens here. Can you read, guys? Don't read the company because I'm not advertising for the company. It's a spicy seasoning. We call it pilau masala. Then I'll add a little bit of soy sauce, dark soy sauce, superior. Then instead of putting the tomatoes, I'll put the tomato pastes. I'm not being paid by anybody, guys, to promote their company. I'm just showing the ingredients I'm using today. Then this is my salt. So welcome back to my channel. Remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to enjoy and like my video. So let us do this. So guys, at first, the first thing we do, I thought I was recording. So we are frying our onion. If you want it to be so nice and spicy, put a lot of onions, like we are doing. So we fry our onion until they are golden brown. I don't like carrying with a spoon. Okay, give it time to cook. So guys, my onion is still cooking, and there's this herb I forgot to show, so let it go in. I really love cooking with rosemary. I like the aroma it gives. Yeah. Cooking spoon bearer, wooden one. The rosemary you can cook a bit and remove, or you can decide to keep it. I'm going to keep it. So next, our crushed ginger. Let it go in. I love it. Then crushed garlic. Guys, the aroma, something else. We are cooking pilau. Kenyan pilau. Okay. Next, guys, we put our meat, pre-boiled meat. The aroma, guys, wow. pilau masala. You just measure. You can measure a spoon, tablespoon, or you can measure with your eyes. That is enough. I don't like it bitter. So let that cook first, so that the flavors can infuse. The aroma is so nice, guys. The aroma, the aroma, the aroma, the aroma. So nice. And now, guys, we go in with the tomato paste. I measure with my eyes, guys. Soy sauce. I measure with my eyes. So nice. Then lastly, my rice. So this is how my rice is looking. I want to add more water. I added little water first because it was almost burning. So let us add more water. Then we stir so that it can be the spices can be evenly distributed. Then I'll show you guys. So if you measure 1 cup, you make sure you put water 1.5 cups. So my cups were 1.5, so I put 3 cups. Yeah, 3 cups of water. No, 2 3/4 of water. I measured, guys. I measured. So this is how my pilau is looking while cooking. So we give it like 10 minutes. Then we'll come back and showcase our pilau. Meanwhile, let me make some roast potato and kachumbari. I'll show you how to make kachumbari so that we can have a very nice accompaniment for that. So see you. Many hours later, our pilau. So nice. So guys, after 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, our pilau is ready. So now we go to our next ingredient, next recipe, next accompaniment. Then in short, what we are going to serve with pilau. So guys, we are roasting potato, just a side dish for pilau. So our pan is already on fire. our oil. Let your oil be hot. Roast potato, you don't need to put a lot of oil. I diced some turmeric and some salt. As our potato cooks, we are going to make our kachumbari. Kachumbari is a combined. I've already diced it. It's just tomato and onions. You can add some black pepper or just pepper. This is salt. If you want, you can put lemon. And if you don't want your onion to be bitter, you wash first with warm water and salt. So just like that. Our kachumbari is ready. I've already turned, and the results are appetizing. Click, our roast potato. Our potatoes are ready. So just remove carefully. The hassle of recording while holding the camera and at the same time cooking. They are so easily. So because of factors of time, blending, remove the knife, show you the final result. So guys, these are our potatoes. So let us serve and show you the final presentation. Okay. So guys, this is the final result. This is the final result. I don't know whether it's in. Yeah. Back. Yeah, this is the final result. Our pilau, roast potato and kachumbari. Yummy. So guys, enjoy as I enjoy.